In a world where digital connections are easy to make but hard to deepen, one community continues to rise above the noise: our nation's service members, military veterans, and their families. These individuals share a bond built through commitment, sacrifice, and an unwavering dedication to something greater than themselves. But beyond their time in uniform, that sense of community doesn't have to end. In fact, it can grow stronger, with the right support and recognition from those who truly care. When someone serves in the military or as a first responder, they become part of something larger than themselves. They live out the meaning of duty, resilience, and teamwork in ways most of us will never fully understand. And yet their service isn't just about the job they performed. It's about the lives they've touched, the values they upheld, and the communities they protected. That same sense of service extends to the families who stand beside them, often quietly sacrificing in the background. From spouses and children to extended family, they too carry the weight of service. Recognizing this shared commitment isn't just about saying thank you. It's about showing up with real support, real acknowledgement, and real benefits that reflect a genuine understanding of what it means to serve. Gratitude is powerful. But when it remains a phrase or a post on social media, it can lose meaning. For our service members and their families, the most meaningful appreciation often comes in the form of real action. Support that impacts their daily lives, from savings that stretch paychecks to resources that make transitions smoother. That's where organizations like WeSalute make a real difference. Through meaningful partnerships and a mission grounded in delivering greater respect, recognition, and rewards, WeSalute helps turn appreciation into something members can feel. Something that helps make life a little easier, more connected, and a lot more supported. But WeSalute isn't doing this alone. Partnering with companies that are willing to step up and say, "We want to do more than say thanks, we want to show it," plays a vital role. These partnerships help deliver verified military discounts, career resources, and community events that go far beyond a promotional offer. They help build bridges between businesses and service members, between gratitude and action. When companies and organizations work alongside groups like WeSalute, they're doing more than offering deals. They're committing to a culture of respect. They're saying, "We understand who you are, we recognize what you've done, and we stand with you." This is especially important in a world where active duty military and veterans are often targeted by scams or overlooked in conversations about financial security and well-being. Authentic connection begins when partners truly align with the values of those they serve. It means creating products, services, and experiences that meet real needs, without gimmicks, without strings attached. Whether it's discounted travel for visiting family, savings on essential items, or access to meaningful career tools, every benefit becomes a reminder that someone cares. The path to that kind of unity begins with one simple idea. We are stronger when we support one another. Whether you're a brand looking to give back, a service member in need of community, or a supporter who wants to do more, there's room for all of us in this growing circle of trust and service recognition. That's how we salute service with WeSalute.